everyone, my name is Asad Ahmed, and today the topic of my persuasive speech is protect biodiversity before it is too late. Every day plants and animal species are reducing from the earth, and if the biodiversity continues to decline, then the human life and ecosystem will also suffer. So we must protect biodiversity by supporting conservation efforts and reducing the damage to the environment. So as a biology student, I study ecosystem and understand how biodiversity is essential and important for the human life. So now I will talk about some reasons like why biodiversity is important. Actually, biodiversity is very important for maintaining healthy ecosystems. For example, plants produce oxygen and they absorb carbon dioxide. And for the example too, I can say pollinators such as bees, they are really helpful in the food production, and the loss of biodiversity can disrupt food chains and which will create eventually damage. So while biodiversity maintain healthy ecosystem, it also has many benefits in economy and also medically. For example, many medicines are developed from plants, animals and other microorganisms found in nature. So and economically, agriculture and fisheries mainly depends on the healthy ecosystem, and beside that, ecotourism and the natural resources provide income and jobs for many communities around the world. So the number 3 reason why we should protect the biodiversity, the number 3 reason is biodiversity doesn't provide only medical and economic benefits, but it also gets threatened by the humans. Humans are continuously threatening biodiversity, and biodiversity is reducing day by day. So the reason one why we should protect biodiversity and what humans are doing with the biodiversity is pollution in rivers, in oceans, in lands. It is harming the wildlife and also the ecosystem. And secondly, the humans are also reducing biodiversity by deforestation. Deforestation is the process in which a human reduce the habitats of the species, and this leads to the extinction of the species. So that's why in conclusion, I would say we must protect biodiversity because biodiversity is very important for maintaining the healthy ecosystem, and every species matter around us. So we must protect biodiversity in order to make our planet more healthy. Thank you so much for listening.